Now, propositions are the statements that give results either in true or false. Like, suppose it is cold today. Yes, true or false. Yes or no. Where are you going? But the answer of this question will not come in true and false. So, this is not a proposition. This is a proposition. Now, in computer, what we do is that we store this proposition, right, in some alphabet, and we say that alphabet as a propositional variable, right? So here a is storing a proposition, today is Sunday, so this is a propositional constant and a is a propositional variable. Okay, now there are two types of propositions: simple propositions, which are simple sentences in which the answer comes in true or false, and when we join two simple sentences together, right, then it makes a compound proposition. Like, suppose Bangalore is a green city of India. This is the one proposition. Another is it is situated in Karnataka. Now you can join these two sentences or propositions with the help of some words, conjunctions in English. So those two words or things are known as connectives. So connectives are the words which connect these two sentences. So either you can join them by or by and. So you can say Bangalore is a green city of India and it is situated in Karnataka. Bangalore is a green city of India or it is situated in Karnataka, like this. So connectives are just like the conjunction which is used in English grammar. Okay, now here we will study these connectives. Right, now the first connective which is there is disjunction. Now disjunction can be shown as either by this sign or plus sign, and it is same as that of the logical or. So see, you can see its truth table, that if any one answer is true, right, if any one out of these or if both are true, then it will give you true or one, otherwise it gives 0. So this is the truth table. You can do it with, you can show it with zeros and also with true and false. So here two inputs are there, so 4 rows are there, but here as 3 inputs are there, so with the 3 inputs you will make 2 to the power 3, that means 8 rows. How will you fill them? 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 0 2 1, and alternate 0 1 0 1. And what is the output of this? That if anywhere 1 is there, the output is 1. So here all ones are there or trues are there, and only in this row the false is there. So this is a disjunction. Then we have conjunctions, which is shown by like this or dot sign. It is used, it is just like a logical and. Okay, so here you can see in the logical and, the answer will be true when both the inputs are true. In the same manner, this also you can show this truth table as false and true, and this is a 3 input truth table of A conjunction B conjunction C. Then the third one, we have negation. Negation means to find the reverse of a number, like this. So it is shown by this sign, a tilde sign or bar sign. Okay, complement sign. So if your input is 0, output is 1, input is 1, output is 0, same you can show like this. Okay, then we have double negation, which is shown by 2 times this. So this much you have seen. Now again you do the reverse, so you will get the original number. Okay, now see how they are used in the sentences. Like this is the conjunction, 8 is divisible by 2, it is an even number, so with the conjunction you will join 8 is divisible by 2 or it is an even number. Conjunctions you will join with and. Sky is clear and you can go out. Okay, you will join it by and. Then how you will do the negation? How you will do the negation? If the sentence is like this, computer is fun, then its negation you will write computer is not fun. You will reverse it. Okay.